How's that, everyone? In this video, I'll be reviewing the Amex Hilton Honors credit card. We will go over the benefits, the reward multipliers, and the pros and cons of this credit card to determine is it worth it for you. That's because hotel credit cards overall are a pretty great tool to have in your wallet and in your arsenal because you could earn free hotel night awards and other perks. And who doesn't like staying at a hotel for free and being treated like a special guest? American Express has a handful of hotel credit cards to choose from, and most of them are Hilton credit cards. But should you settle for something like the Hilton Honors credit card or go for something crazy like the Hilton Aspire credit card? Well, this video is going to give you all the details you need to know about the Hilton Honors credit card so that you can make that decision. Let's jump right into it. Like I mentioned earlier, Amex has 3 hotel credit cards to choose from with Hyatt. The first, or the lower tier one, is the Hilton Honors card, followed by the Hilton Surpass card, and then finally the Hilton Aspire credit card. We will not be going over all 3 credit cards for this video, but I just wanted to show you where the Amex Hilton Honors credit card stands in that totem pole ecosystem. The Hilton Honors credit card is the lowest on that list because it has no annual fee and there are the least amount of benefits and perks with this credit card. But that's exactly what would make such a great candidate for a starter hotel credit card where you don't want to pay an annual fee and you don't need all those bells and whistles with a hotel credit card just yet. Or if you already have a bunch of different hotel credit cards, even with the Hilton family, you could get the Hilton Honors card for just like the sign-up bonus. And yes, just because this credit card has no annual fee does not mean it doesn't have a sign-up bonus. And that's one of the first great things about the Hilton Honors credit card is because as of right now, you could get a sign-up bonus of 100,000 Hilton points after you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of opening up your account. And the second part of that sign-up bonus is you could receive up to $100 of statement credit from Hilton purchases. For most people, hitting that $1,000 spend in the first 3 months should not be a problem because I'm sure you guys have seen much higher minimum spend requirements on other credit cards in the past. But just like how I recommend for any credit card with a sign-up bonus and minimum spend requirement, make sure you plan out and try to figure out how you're going to do it or hit that spend requirement before you actually apply for the credit card. But again, $1,000 shouldn't be too hard to hit. And for the $100 Hilton statement credit, all you need to do is use your Hilton Honors credit card at a Hilton hotel, specifically when you're booking a hotel stay. After you make the charge, you will receive up to $100 in statement credit a few weeks after. The statement credit part of the sign-up bonus offer is valid only until July 6th of 2022, unless they change it, unless they extend it. But if you are able to grab this sign-up bonus offer, you have 12 months from when you open up your account to make use of that $100 statement credit. And this part of the sign-up bonus should also be easy to hit because you have a whole 12 months to use this statement credit before it expires, and this is being used for bookings, so I'm sure that you could easily spend $100 on a Hilton property room. Those $100 Hilton statement credits are valued around $100, but how much are those 100,000 Hilton bonus points worth? Well, on average, Hilton points are worth around 0.5 cents to 0.6 cents. Keep in mind that although this is an American Express credit card, it does not earn you American Express points. With the Hilton Honors credit card, you are earning Hilton bonus points, or just Hilton points for short. With that said, by using the lowest cent per point valuation, your 100,000 Hilton bonus points are worth $500. So when you combine the $500 worth of value from the bonus points with the $100 worth of statement credit, assuming that you got the offer before it expired, that's a combined total of $600 of value for that sign-up bonus. And let me quickly reiterate that this is a no annual fee credit card. So if you get that sign-up bonus, which you should, that's already a lot of value that you're getting on a credit card that you're not paying to use every year. Okay, cool. So let's say you got that sign-up bonus, you earned enough points, enough value for maybe a free 1 to 2 night stay. But how else can you earn more points to get more free night stays, to get more free hotel rewards? But before I go any further, can you please go ahead and hit that like button to help me out and comment down below what your favorite Hilton property is, or if you had a good or bad experience with Hilton. Who knows? knows, maybe your favorite property is a Hilton in Hawaii. Moving on, the reward multipliers for the Amex Hilton Honors credit card are as follow. 7 times points on Hilton hotels and resorts, 5 times points on US dining, 5 times points on US grocery stores, and 5 times points on US gas stations, and last but not least, 3 times points on everything else. I don't know about you, but I thought about 2 things when I first heard about the reward multipliers of this credit card. Number 1, those are pretty great, pretty big, solid multipliers. Number 2, those are a lot of categories for just one single credit card. And starting with the latter, yes, the Hilton Honors credit card has a lot of different categories for you to earn bonus points on, and that's a good thing for you. It's nice to have a single credit card earn bonus points on things like hotel, food, including restaurants and groceries, and gas stations. Those are the type of categories that you'd need like maybe 2 to 3 different credit cards to earn bonus points on. But no, you're getting all of that on just one Hilton Honors credit card. And that brings me to my second point. Those reward multipliers are huge, but it's also misleading. On other normal American Express credit cards, you have like 5x or 4x multipliers, and those things we get excited about. But with the Hilton Honors credit card, you have a 7 times bonus category. You have 3 5 times bonus categories, and you earn 3 times points on your general purchases. So you should just get this one credit card and be set and earn lots and lots of points, right? Well, not so fast, because you have to look at the face value of those points themselves. Yes, you could earn tons and tons of points with the Hilton Honors credit card, but at the same time, these points are not worth the same as, let's say, normal American Express points. It's like, for example, would you rather have 1,000 pennies or 100 quarters? You physically have more pennies than quarters, but at the end of the day, the value of those two are not the same. The quarters are worth more, which means you're gonna have $25 with 100 quarters, whereas with 1,000 pennies, you're only gonna have $10. But anyway, this is the same exact thing. We have to look into how much those credit card points are worth. Amex points are worth around 2 cents per point, whereas the Hilton Honors credit card, which earns Hilton points, are worth around 0.5 cents per point. But let's actually break this down as if you're gonna spend $1,000 either on your Amex credit card or $1,000 on your Hilton Honors credit card. And for this example, let's say you're spending that $1,000 on the general purpose or general spending category. You know, purchases that don't qualify for any extra bonus points. With the Hilton Honors credit card, you're gonna have 3,000 Hilton points. Whereas with the Amex credit card, just your normal Amex credit card earning 1x points on those general purchases, you're gonna have just 1,000 American Express points. That's 3,000 Hilton points versus 1,000 American Express points. But if the Hilton points are worth 0.5 cents per point, those 3,000 Hilton points are worth around $15. Whereas the Amex points are worth 2 cents per point, and those 1,000 points are worth around $20. Also keep in mind that Hilton points are pretty much restricted to only being redeemed for Hilton purchases, whereas American Express points are way more flexible. But again, with the Hilton Honors credit card, you will technically earn more points and faster. Now, the great things about this credit card don't just stop there. This credit card also has no foreign transaction fees, which is a huge plus on a no annual fee credit card. And on top of that, the Hilton Honors card will give you complimentary silver status at Hilton. But to get that same silver status normally without a Hilton Honors credit card, you would need to stay a cumulative total of 7 nights per year at a Hilton property. Not 7 consecutive nights, like 1 week at a Hilton, but it could be like 1 night 7 times throughout the year. Honestly, the silver status isn't the greatest, but it does give you things such as 20% bonus points on stays, free bottled water, your 5th night free, and elite rollover nights. The 5th night free perk is kind of clutch because if you stay at a Hilton resort or Hilton hotel 4 consecutive nights in a row, you will get that 5th night free. So if you like to stay at hotels for like a week or so, you could use that benefit and save like a couple $100 right there. And elite rollover nights are great because any qualifying nights in excess of those required to qualify for elite status level are counted toward a member's elite status qualification for the following calendar year. That was a long sentence. And then we have the question, is it worth it for you? If If you want to start earning Hilton points and you don't travel too often, you don't stay at hotels too often, you don't stay at the Hilton too often, this is a great credit card to get started, especially if you spend a lot already at restaurants, gas stations, or on groceries. But if you are a serious traveler and you like to stay at Hilton properties and you want more benefits, you want more statuses, then this credit card's not going to be the best for you. There are other Hilton credit cards out there, or even other travel credit cards that will give you more value than this simple no annual fee Hilton Honors card. Also, obviously, if you don't like staying at Hilton, then this credit card's not going to be for you, and I don't know why you watched this far into the video. Lastly, if you like to use your credit card points on things like cash back or on generic travel redemption options, then this credit card's not going to be for you because Hilton points are not that flexible. But if you do get this credit card, or maybe you have an American Express credit card already, you could go ahead and watch this video right here to learn how you could triple your credit line. Or perhaps you want to find the best way to redeem your Amex points, so go ahead and watch the video right here. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fun rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Shoots!